In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flights online from Abuja to Lagos. It's going to be a full guide video tutorial. So what this video I'm making is basically for educational purpose only. So open up your airline app, right? So I'm using the United Nigerian Airline. I'm going to click on it. Click on book a flight. Click on one way, right? So you're going to be going from Abuja to Lagos. So I'm going to click on Abuja. You're going to search for Lagos, right? So choose a traveling date. You're going to select a traveling date, right? So I can select, let me say, 4th June, right? So I'm gonna, so you can select how many adults you're traveling with, right? If you're traveling with your friends, you can select how many of them, right? So I'm traveling alone, right? So I'm gonna click on just one. Click on search for flight. So you're gonna wait for this to gradually load up, right? So just give it very few seconds or very few minutes. It's gonna load up for you now. So from here you can be able to, yeah. So you can see there's a flight on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, there's no flight on Saturday. So you can select any from here, right? So you can select any of this, right? So I will click on this, click on choose flight, right? So once this has opened up, so I'm gonna just click on it. Yeah, so you can just come on here. Okay, I think, okay, I'm gonna just do this again. So Abuja to Lagos, right? So let me see traveling dates. Click on this, right? So I'm gonna wait for it to gradually load up, right? As it has previously done. So yeah, I can just select this, right? Click on choose flight. I'm gonna wait for it to load up, right? So you can come on here and add your details, right? So you can add up, let's say Mr. Frank, right? Mr. Frank John. Mr. Frank John, right? So enter your phone number, your email address, right? So you can type it in, right? So yeah, this is it, because you're gonna be sent an email once you have paid for this flight, right? So click on this save, click on continue. Now this is the final thing you're gonna do, right? You're gonna make payment. Okay, this is the second to the last thing. So you're gonna select your seat, right? Click on choose seat. From here you're gonna choose any seat, right? So this is the seat. You can select any seat you want. You can click on this, select seat, right? Because you're gonna be sitting with your seat number, right? So click on this continue. From here you're gonna just click on this paste tag, right? Once I've clicked on it, you're going to be displayed the final option where you can make your payment, right? Once you have made your payment, you're going to get everything set for you. So this is basically how you can book flight online from Abuja to Lagos. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next